Oh no! I'm gonna be doing a follow a makeup tutorial look. Oh my gosh, the life of a mom. Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm following a Halloween tutorial. I decided to do the Venom look. If you'd like to see how I got this and all of my struggles in between, keep on watching. Hi, I did not see you there. Just kidding. So to start out the look, I'm just going to do some space buns because I feel like that'll just pull all my hair out of the way. If you see, my hair is pretty crazy right now because it's time for me to wash it. I usually wash my hair every 3, sometimes 4 days, just because it's not that good for curly hair. Everybody wants curly hair until it comes time to combing it out and getting through all these knots. All these curls are already set in, so I'm just going to start with parting my hair and getting it going. Okay. I have it parted. Okay, one down. Oh, she cute or whatever. She a little cutie. He looks creepy. I should probably be doing a Princess Leia look with these buns, or a Minnie Mouse, but we're gonna go for Venom. So I know in her video she does just the eye, which I absolutely love, but I'm going to be doing half of the face. So I want to do half the face Venom and then half the face natural. So let's see how it turns out, because I tried doing a Halloween look last year of a half pumpkin face, and girl, let me tell you, it was bad. It was real bad. It was embarrassing. If I can find a picture, I'll put it here because I took a picture of myself, but I don't know if I want anyone to see it because it was so embarrassing. So let's see how this turns out and if this makes it on my channel. So what she started out doing is she mapped out her look where she wanted everything to go. So that's what I'm going to start doing. Next, I'm going to do all the black paint. I got this kit from Michael's, and let's see how it works. Hopefully it comes out really good. So I have some water right here, and I'm for my makeup beauty blender. Just kidding. But try to do it fast. This is going to be a really quick tutorial. I feel like grabbing this whole thing and just smearing it on my face. Have you ever face painted at a party? I did it once for the scholarship, and I'm pretty sure I had those kids looking fit. Sorry. Hi. So my camera died, so I just did my foundation and my eyebrow on this side. So now I'm going to continue with the look. So next she does the mouth and the teeth. And I didn't do the full mouth, so it shouldn't take that long, hopefully. So I think I fucked up by not having the mouth big enough. I should have had the mouth bigger. Don't mind that sound, that's just my husband choking in the background. So after this, you absolutely cannot touch your lips together. So I moisturized right before this. It would have been easier if I had the NYX pencil like she had, which I do have, but I don't know where it's at, so I guess I don't have it anymore. Don't know what the hell happened to it. has like sharp, pointy teeth. So I guess it's not that bad that I made that all smaller. Didn't really want to open my red because we're going to be using red tomorrow because we're going to do a family Chucky thing, but it calls for it, so here we go. Bad. So I just did in between the teeth to make a little bit more definition. I'm just gonna go over it with this red burgundy color from the Daisy Marquez palette. Ooh, she cute. So the mouth is done. Next she starts doing some designs here to give that like tearing into the skin look. I'm just gonna try to imitate that. So I finished all the black. My camera died again. Hello, queen of camera dying. Nice to meet you. So next she just takes a brown shade and shades from the gums up. And then she does it in between the teeth too. Next, I'm doing the black, which I'm a little afraid of, but we gotta be precise, yeah. Ooh, I look kind of scary. Okay, I'm really glad I only did half the face because this is a lot. Okay, so there goes the mouth. She a little thick or whatever. Next, hello?
Hey,
Hey, what's up, homie? So next she just goes over the roots of the teeth to make it pop and make it look like, you know, this bitch need to go to the dentist cause Venom, his teeth be looking ugly. So here we go. We have some rotten teeth. So I need to outline the whole tooth actually. So let me go back in with this liner and try to do that. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of the red and the white face paint. Don't really want to mix this, but I guess I'll have to. And just go over the gums again. Going to color this whole thing white. So I'm gonna need a pretty big brush for that. I've been sacrificing a lot of makeup brushes, so let's go. Okay, I guess I'll be cleaning my makeup brushes tonight. Yay! Who likes cleaning their makeup brushes? If you do, please come to my house because I fucking hate it. I even bought the thing that like cleans it for you, and I guess it made it a little bit better. Well, not cleans it for you, you like put it down and scrub on top of it. But honey, that shit is still not fun to clean. Oh no, oh no, oh no. Fucking whore. Running my eye. Don't do that. Hi, I'll be blind at the end of this. Okay, so there's a white done. So let me do my regular makeup and then I'm gonna go back to the video, see what she does. So I'm just gonna do like something quick on this side. I kind of want to do something smoky, so I'll start out with like a light brown. Well, I kind of want it to be soft too, but we'll see. Because I do want some smoke, you know, like this side's the good side, but she ain't that good. She's a little crazy. Back over it. Blend, 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 blend. Next, I'm going to do some eyeliner. So I usually use this e.l.f. one. This one I really like. And I use it in jet black. So I like that wing. Let's just do a little bit of blush, contour, highlighting, all that fun stuff. Be careful when you're doing this part just because of the black right here. And your baby hairs that are laid, girl. Be careful for them. Okay, so, not sure if this got caught on camera, but she trying to go to a pumpkin patch, she trying to go to Halloween. So I just did, you know, some light glam on this side. I'm gonna do the lipstick last, and I don't know why I just fucking put my lips together. Don't do that, bitch. So I'm gonna start back over on this side. Let's see what else is next.
Okay, you're good.
So the story of my life, my son woke up and he's scared of me. Okay, so next I just go over everything like that I did, like the ripping parts, going back over that over white just to add some three-dimensional feel to it. I'm just a little nervous about this part because I don't know, I like how it looks so far. Me at the beginning of this, I'm like, I don't think it's gonna take that long. Me now, bitch, this took hella long. Okay, so if you're gonna do this, pat that shit out quickly because bitch, that dries fast. I think it's good to use this when your brush doesn't have that much paint on it, because then you can do more of the faded effect, you know? Okay, I like it, but I need to pat it in more, you know what I'm saying? And she did her whole body, like going down. I just kind of wanted to do this kind of look because I thought that was like kind of cute and not too much because I'm not trying to do my whole body as well. I'm kind of getting messy with this part just because, bitch, I've been doing this for a long time. I said, I hope it doesn't last that long, and we've been having a lot of technical difficulties, and I'm happy with what I have so far. Now I just got to figure out the whole eye situation. I did my lashes too. Okay, so next I think I'm gonna go I'm gonna do the lipstick because I'm a little scared to do the eye situation. So let me do my lipstick next. Hi, brother. How's it going? Does mama look kind of scary a little bit? A little bit more natural for the side, but I think it would be cool if I do a dark lipstick. He's not as scared anymore. I think he's warming up to me. He's like, I guess she still kind of looked like my mom or whatever. So I think this looks really cute. This is from Live Glam, and I do their monthly subscription, so I get it every month. 3 lipsticks, $20. A little excessive, I know. I might have to stop it, but this is the Gangster Rapper one, and she look cute. Okay, so next I gotta do the scary shit. Okay, so me listening to her realized I need to do a little bit more before I get to the eye. Okay, so I think, let's see it. Let me just add a little couple more lines. things in here because I feel like I did this huge crisscross, and hi bitch, you can see her everywhere. So I'm just gonna do multiple lines.
Oh yeah.
Oh really, Ruben? I'm just gonna use some lash glue because we had some of the other glue, but I can't find it, and I'm trying to get this look done because I thought it was super cute. And I don't recommend putting lash glue by the bottom of your eye because it stretches the skin, aging, all that great stuff that nobody likes. But here we go. So let's pray this works. If not, I have a white eye and that's it. So I tried to form it into what it looks like. Bitch, who? Oh no. So what I did is I used a not cotton swab, these are like the bandage little things, and I just made it into the shape, and then I did eyelash glue to stick it. I didn't have any of the liquid latex, so I used this just to improvise. Use whatever you'd like. Then to finish it all off, we're at the end. I'm going to do black around it just to make it look clean, but I actually like how this turned out a lot. Believe me, if I find that picture from last year, you're gonna die laughing about how bad that turned out. Because this, I'm super into this. I'm liking it a lot. I'm sad I'm not doing anything tonight because I don't get to show off my Venom look. I feel like this look came out super cute. So this is the final look. What do you guys think? Do you think I did it justice? I didn't do the whole, just one eye, but I did half. And I actually like it because I could still see through this eye. So tell me what you guys think. Comment below, like, subscribe, and please share this video. Until then, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
Should have done that look too.
Ooh, it would have been cool if I did half your face and half my face. You know what I'm saying?
We should do a video together where we compete to see who does the best look.
Ooh, I like that. I have to get a babysitter though.
No, you don't do that. Here.
Hi, welcome to parenthood.
Wait, what?
I don't know, I was trying to be like scary. And if anything, you have something to scare your kids. Just kidding. Da-na-na-na.